Oh, I'm nervous. Ah! Ah! Going to cast some bullets for my cannon. It's got a 1-inch diameter. So going on a trip, plan is to take the cannon and shoot it, but I realized I only had 3 bullets. So, going to heat it up. Got these right here. Got this. So it's been about 10 minutes. I've used the blowtorch quite a bit as well. Got to be careful though. I dropped it in there and it splashed. Probably shouldn't be wearing sandals. I've actually burnt myself pretty bad in the past. I'll also heat this up. So I'll put the whole thing in there. Just get the whole ladle hot. Let's clean this one up a little bit. Pull the slag off. Oh yeah, baby, yeah! Oh, my plate! Hopefully you didn't bend it. It's like we thread it, man. Pop the screw right out. Oh, I'm nervous! Ah! Oh, yeah! Oh, that's so gross.